And we are here on the Bubba Show on the day that it doesn't matter. Nobody remembers. That's Thursday. The first number that comes out today will be the jobless claims. As I continue to say, that number means absolutely nothing, and I will continue to stand by that. However, we do have some numbers coming out the rest of this week. Michigan sentiment is a number, but the big is, and the number we want to really look into is the granddaddy of them all, and that's the jobs number, the unemployment number. Now, this is a number that, has been very, very poor, very, very bad. However, it's meeting market expectations. So we haven't really had a big crush off of the jobs number. Now we're going to see all the adjustments. Now that the election is over, we'll see any major adjustments. The market is expecting 125,000 jobs. Anything less than that, I think, will cause a tremendous sell-off. I think that the market is probably really wants to see more like 180 to 200 new jobs. And these are important to understand why. We've got a very serious problem that needs to be understood. Again, though, I go back. Remember, the market itself anticipates 6 to 7 months forward. So if the market is able to hold up here, it is not as concerned about those jobs numbers as we should be. And that's something that you have to take into consideration. But when we look at the numbers and we see, now we could get some action. Now, a lot of this is gut reaction right off the number. But more or less, if the number is bad and we're up near resistance levels, it gives the traders a perfect reason to go ahead and sell and let the bears come in. Right now, as I've been saying all week, there's a battleground between the bears and the bulls, and we're going to sit here. But this number could be the start of something new. Now, if they beat handily, this could be the next leg up, and we could go out and actually make new highs, for the last period. Okay? If the number gets destroyed, then we could go back and actually and go lower and test our lows. But the key here is the number itself is not important. What's really going to be important to you, the trader, is where are we at the technical level. Okay? If we are up at resistance and we get a bad number, that's a signal. It's a sign to sell. If we're down on support and we get a good number, that's a good time to look to buy. The number itself really means nothing. What really means something is where are we at in the chart. Are we up near the support? Are we down near support? Are we up near resistance? Or are we in the middle of nowhere? If we're in the middle of nowhere, it doesn't matter. We're hoping the number drives it to one point or the other to allow us into the market. And that's what our focus has to be. Again, as I've been saying all week, if you have any questions, if you want me to cover some topics here, please email me, todd@adammesh.com. Remember Bubba's Picks. Remember, for Thursday, have a great show. Have a great day. The Bubba Show. We'll talk to you tomorrow.